Welcome everybody. This here video that I'm doing here is just a precursor to ones that are going to be coming out here in the near future. This is a 2018 Toro Grandstand 52-inch. The hydros on it are leaking on the outer seals in the wheels. We're going to take this apart and pull the hydros out. The only way you can repair this is by disassembling or splitting the cases, because you have to pull the axles to get the seals out. So I'm going to do a video on how to do that. I've done this on one before, just one of them, and I wished I would have videoed that one, but we're going to do it on this. It's an easy repair to do, and it's pretty inexpensive. Beats buying brand new hydro units for this repair. So there's really not a lot of content out there that shows how to do this. So we're going to video it all the way from disassembling the machine and getting the units out to putting them on the bench, cleaning them up, taking them apart, pulling out the parts to get the old seal out, put it back together, sealing them up. We'll have to let them set for 24 hours without oil in them, but we'll go ahead and then put them in the machine, film all that. The next day I'll put oil in it and we'll run them and show you how this type of thing works. So, and coming up here in a minute, I'll show you what the oil and the parts and everything look like that's on the bench. So I hope this could help somebody that's out there that might have this same issue. The oil leaks, this kind of common. This machine has 3,520 hours on it. So it's got a lot of hours on it. It's never had it done to it. So I think you'll like what we have, and it'll be a several part series. We're not going to do it all in one deal. So we'll just get this out and hope you enjoy it. Coming up here is the parts. I have the filters, the belt, the oil for that. We'll do all that change. Anytime I do the 500-hour oil change on my hydros and filters, I always replace the drive belt. That's the best time to do it. Right there's your filters, 5 quarts of the Toro hydro oil. There's the sealant for sealing up the cases back together once you get them apart. And then you have right here, just right there, you'll have 2 seals. There's one for each unit, and then there's a special washer, one for each unit there. There used to be a spacer with this kit, but they did away with it. You just reuse your old spacer. So I'm going to record doing all this in the next few days, and we'll get it out, and I hope you enjoy it.